Hello students, welcome to Sets classes. Today I am going to solve ISI Bstat 2019 objective question paper. Now it is question number 8. For each natural number k, choose a complex number zk with mod zk equal to 1. Mod zk equal to 1. And denote by AK the area of the triangle AK, the area of the triangle formed by ZK, IZK and ZK plus IZK. These are 3 points of the triangle. Then which of the following is true for the series below? Now we have to find the series k equal to 1 to infinity sum of ak to the power k. It is the series. Option A, it converges only if every zk lies in the semi quadrant. Option B, it always diverges. Option C, it always converges. And option D, none of the above. Now, first we have to find AK, the area of the triangle made of ZK, IZK and ZK plus IZK. We know in the area of the triangle formula of complex number which are formed by Z1, Z2 and Z3 is equal to 1/4 of mod of the determinant ZK, Z1 Z2 Z3 I Z1 bar, I Z2 bar, I Z3 bar, 1 1 1. So now it is 1/4 ZK, it is IZK, it is ZK plus IZK, it is I into ZK bar, it is I into IZK bar, it is I into ZK plus IZK whole bar, it is 1 1 1 modulus. So it is 1/4 have to add one page now. Now it is the area of the triangle is 1/4 modulus of it is ZK, IZK and it is ZK plus IZK. Now it is I ZK bar, then it is I into IZK whole bar, and it is IZK plus IZK whole bar. It is 1 1 1 is modulus. Then it is 1/4 the modulus of that is ZK, it is IZK, it is ZK plus IZK bar is IZK bar into I is I bar into ZK bar, means minus I into ZK bar means minus I square into ZK bar. It is I, it is ZK bar plus this I bar into ZK bar means minus I into ZK bar. Minus I into ZK bar. It is 1 1 1 is modulus. Then 1/4 it is ZK, this IZK, it is ZK plus IZK, this IZK bar, it is ZK bar, it is IZK bar plus ZK bar. It is 1 1 1. So after summing this by R3 dash into R3 minus R2 minus R1, we are getting 1/4 ZK IZK 0 IZK bar ZK bar 0 1 1 minus 1 is modulus. But taking minus 1 here, therefore modulus of minus 1 here, then it is ZK it is IZK, it is 0, is IZK bar ZK bar 0 is 1 1 1 ये modulus. Then it is 1/4 minus 1 का modulus 1 हो गया 1. Now expanding it in respect of third row, we get 1 0 into completely it becomes 0, then minus 0 into this becomes 0, then plus 1 then zk into zk bar minus izk into izk bar. Then we are getting 1/4 modulus of zk bar mod zk square plus here -1 is mod zk square minus I square and zk into zk bar again mod zk square. Now mod zk common 1/4 modulus of zk square modulus of 1 minus I square equal to 1/4 mod zk square to 1 plus 1 as I square to -1, then it is half to mod zk square. Now mod zk equal to 1 given, so it is half into 1 square equal to half. So we are getting here ak equal to half for all k. Belongs to our natural number set and 0. So here sigma of ak k equal to 0 to infinity is equal to the power k equal to k equal to 0 to infinity half to the power k. It is nothing but a infinite GP series, and infinite GP series is always convergent. So this series is convergent. So here option is C, it always convergent. So thank you.